So, you're rocking WooCommerce memberships, selling access like a champ. Awesome, but what happens when a company wants to buy 50 seats for its employees? Or a family wants a single plan for everyone? Yeah, managing group access manually is a headache waiting to happen. But fear not, there's a much smarter way. Meet Teams for WooCommerce memberships. This powerhouse add-on is here to rescue you from that administrative chaos. Hey, my name is Mike, and welcome to Sleekr Digital. So what is it? Simply put, Teams lets you sell memberships not just to individuals, but to entire groups, companies, families, organizations, book clubs, you name it. One person, the owner, buys the membership, defines how many seats are included, and can then easily invite others to join their team. We'll get familiar with the key roles. The owner, the buyer, optional managers who can help administer the team, think department heads, and the members who actually get the membership perks. This structure makes delegation and management a breeze compared to juggling dozens of individual accounts. The benefit? You sell more memberships in bulk, and your customers get a smooth, self-service way to manage their group's access. Less support for you, more power for them. Over the next 6 videos, we'll cover everything you need to master this plugin. In this first lesson, we're setting the foundation. We'll explore the core concepts, the different roles, and crucially, dive into the main settings. We'll see how to rename teams to fit your brand, maybe guilds or squads. Configure permissions, like who can remove members, set up account pages, and tweak those all-important email notifications. Ready to streamline your group memberships and potentially unlock a whole new market? Let's get started with the setup.